Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the next video. So in this video basically we are going to discuss about what are objects in JavaScript. So basically if you are studying JavaScript, then at some point you think that JavaScript is completely dependent on objects. So it's complete object oriented programming language. So it's like Java is object oriented, but it's not 100%. So in that sense, if we think JavaScript is 100% object oriented, so if you just think like what is object, then here is the complete definition. Object is something in which we can store the values in the form of key and value, key value pairs basically. So there will be one key, and for that key respected value will be there, so something like that. So in this example, in this video, I'm just going to show you an analogy between array and object. What is, I mean, in previous video we discussed about array. So how array is different from the object and why there is a need of object. Okay, so those concepts we are going to discuss in this video. All right, so let's just define one array. Okay, so I will just say array1 is equal to, so I will just put some values in this one, like this is the first value, and this is the second value, and after that let's say some number I will put 91, and after that let's say I'll just put it as some profession, and then I will put another array, so we can include array inside array. Okay, so I'll just put some names like okay, so this is simple array which we have defined here, and I will close the array. So by seeing this array, what you can see is there is one array called array1, and it has got a few elements. Akash is the first element, Patil is the second element, and this number 2037 to 1991. So it's like first name, last name, then this is the date of birth range or the age we can say, then this is the profession, and these are the friends. Okay, so this is how we can, by seeing this we can tell, but it will not be understood by the computer. So in order to tell it in the form of this is the first name, this is the last name, this is the age, this is the profession, and these are the friends, we need to use the object. So with the help of object we can define it like this. So basically if I define an object for the same, so let's say like this is Akash, right? So this is the object for Akash, and I will say like this. You need to write the object name. In this case it is the Akash, and you need to give the flower braces here. So after that I will say key value pairs. Okay, so we'll say first name, and we need to give colon. After that, what is the first name? First name is Akash, give comma. After that, last name, colon. What is the last name? It's Patil. And then age, again the same number we'll just mention here, 2031 to 1991. And let's say job, or like profession, teacher. And after that, friends. So friends is again an array, so I can just copy this array and paste it here. So these are the friends, and I will close this one. So the basic analogy you can see here, this is how we define in the array, but this is how we create an object. So basically it will be key value pairs. First name is the key and value is Akash, last name is key, value is Patil, age is key, value is this one. So like this we can create any number of objects and any number of parameters in that objects. Don't you think it's just like the json? If we just remove these things and just apply some constant, so basically the json is evolved from the objects itself. Okay, so The problem with this one, the array, is that if you want to access the elements, we need to do it in the order. I mean, we should be aware of uh, the the index number in order to access the particular element in the array. But that is not the case in case of objects. We can just give the key value, then it will, if we give the key, then it will give the value. So you need not to worry about where it is present and how it is present. So if you just give friends, then it will, I mean, take out the friends and display it. Okay, so that's it. That is very simple. So basically, if the data is structured, then you can make use of arrays. But if the data is random, if it is not structured and you don't know where data particularly present, then you can use the object. That will be very easy to extract the values. And also basically there are two methods which we can extract the values, the dot operators and other one. We will be discussing about that one in the next video. So probably you will find the link for that in the description. If you want to check it out, then there is a link in the description. Alright guys, so that's it in this video. See you in the next one.